Hi viewers, this is Abhishek from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering from Aeronautical Branch. Today my topic is about de Broglie hypothesis. In quantum mechanics, matter is believed to behave both like a particle and wave at the submicroscopic level. The particle behavior of matter is obvious. When you look at a table, you think of it like a solid stationary piece of a matter with a fixed location. At this microscopic scale, this holds true. But when we zoom into the subatomic level, things begin to get more complicated, and matter doesn't always exhibit the particle behavior that we expect. This non-particle behavior of matter was first proposed in 1923 by Louis de Broglie, a French physicist. In his PhD thesis, he proposed that particles also have wave-like properties, although he did not have the ability to test this hypothesis at the time. He derived an equation to prove it is using Einstein's famous mass-energy relation and the Planck's equation. These waves associated with particles are named de Broglie's waves or matter waves. And in this expression for de Broglie wavelength, the expression of the wavelength associated with a material particle can be derived on the analogy of radiation as follows. Considering the Planck's theory of radiation, the energy of photon, its quantum, is equal to h mu, nothing but mu equal to c by lambda, equal to h mu equal to h c by lambda, where c is the velocity of light in vacuum and lambda is its wavelength. According to Einstein energy mass relation equal to mc square, while we substitute the lambda equal to h by mc equal to h by p, where mc equal to p is the momentum associated with the photon. If we consider the case of material particle of mass m and moving with velocity v, that is momentum mv, then the wavelength associated with this particle, means in analogy to wavelength associated with photon, is given by lambda equal to h v, nothing but h by p. If we consider these all equations, different expressions for de Broglie given. If E is the kinetic energy of the material particle, then equal to half mv square. Half mv square nothing but we can write like this, p square by 2m. Therefore, de Broglie wavelength lambda equal to h by root 2me. Then in another case, when a charged particle carrying a charge q is accelerated by potential difference v, then its kinetic energy k is given by equal to qv. Hence, the de Broglie wavelength associated with particle is lambda equal to h by root 2m qv. For an electron, q equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19. For mass, 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. All substitute in lambda equal to h by root 2 mqb. 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 by 2 into 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 into 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 v. Nothing but root 150 by v, that is equal to 12.26 by root v Armstrong.